Hey y'all, what's going on? Come do a flip over quick weave with me for the very first time, because what that girl said, we're not arguing with nobody who don't know how to do their own hair. I ordered this hair from Amazon and it came in this nice cute little pink bag along with 2 stocking caps and instructions for caring for the hair. The hair is 3 bundles, 18-inch in the texture Brazilian deep wave. Here I am examining this hair as I prepare it for washing. And yes guys, I know I'm on here looking real dusty and crusty. It's about 5:30 a.m. at this point and I needed to have this hair washed and dried by the time as I'm off from work. So y'all already know who to judge. And if you don't know, let me remind you, don't judge me, judge your mama. No man, but look at my face. I know I probably saying, what in the flimsy piece of cardboard is this? Like, where the hair? Honestly, at first guys, I thought I got scammed because ain't no way y'all out here selling me no thin piece of plastic. But as I continued to unravel, my mind began to ease. Yep. Okay. Now we cooking with gas. Because at first, we were out there burning the house down cooking on foreign paper, sweet girl. Anyhow guys, so I am off from work now and here I am just letting my girl Kai braid my little picky head down. And when I got back home, I was nicely greeted with this nice, luscious, juicy, voluptuous bundle of human hair. Next, I'm going to place my stocking cap on my head, covering my ears, then begin to cut out my ear pieces using a scissor. Now I am trying to section out my leave out to avoid putting any protector on it. But child, these pencils must be broken because ain't none of them was marking anything for me. Anyhow, moving forward, I am going to apply my hair protector all around the surface of the cap. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer to dry my hair effectively. Because I am not looking for my cap to be out here greeting people on the streets. Next, I'm going to cut off the excess stocking cap and then allow the bonding glue to dry some more. Listen, when I tell y'all, my number one goal was to make sure this cap do not move. Like nothing else really mattered at this point. This was my only concern. Now that I have went in several times with the blow dryer to ensure that this stocking cap is securely fastened onto my head, it is just a repeat motion of measuring the wigs, cutting and gluing it onto the stocking cap. When laying the tracks, I am going to lay them in a U shape until I am halfway to the top. Now that I am approaching the top of my head, I am going to measure out a rectangle because this is the part we're going to lay the tracks in the opposite direction in order to achieve that flip over look. Then I'm going to keep measuring and laying the tracks until I get to the top of my head. And once you reach the top, you're just going to want to make sure that the top track is in the perfect shape of the rectangle you drew. Now, here I am going to lay the tracks vertically because this is going to give that flip over look. And you want to ensure that the tracks are glued super close together. I like my hair to fall on the right side, so I am just making sure that the right has more volume. So when you get to the end, you want to make sure that that last piece is super close, because then again, this is what gives that flip over look. Yes, this is me rejoicing because I can see the hair coming together. Now that we are done gluing all of the tracks, it is now time to style. Now we're going with this all broke up comb. Nuh-uh. But anyhow, don't let me have to remind y'all, because y'all already know who to judge, okay? But moving onward, here I am taking down my 2 braids and combing through my hair. Then I am going to wet it and go in with some blue mousse to define the curls some more.
I gotta see you, boo, and the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight.
Next, I'm going to straighten my leave out just a little bit and apply edge control on my edges. I use the red 1 edge control, and that just helped me slick to the gods, okay? Anyhow, here I am just playing around to see which method I prefer. So I am going in with my curling wand on this side to curl my natural hair to blend with the weave.
I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you meet me. What I mean to you, and together, baby,
Although I was feeling the wand curls a little, I knew I wouldn't have time to be curling my leave out every morning. So I went in with some Eco Styling Gel on the other side to blend my hair. And I was feeling these curls a lot more because they blended seamlessly. So after applying the Eco Styling Gel to this side and loving this method, I went back in and applied some to the wanded curls. And here I am just playing around to see which side I would wear my hair. And I really liked it on the side today, so that's what we went with. And look, I mean, you can't tell me this ain't coming from my scalp because we wear, I don't know. But yes, guys, on a serious note, for my first time, I think I did pretty darn well, okay? You can tell me otherwise. Y'all tell me in the comments how I did. But to my service providers, y'all, I have not switched up on y'all. I still love y'all down deep. But Auntie has just been saving some coins and learning to do all of her beauty maintenance by herself. But yes, guys, this is the finished look and the end of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for sticking it out to the end. But before we leave this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell a friend to tune in. And y'all, drop down in the comments and let me know how I did. Okay, guys? See you later.